Looking to make your outdoor cleaning faster and more effective? Best Pressure Washer for home use helps tackle dirt, grime, and stains with ease. From cars to patios and driveways, it delivers powerful cleaning while saving time, water, and effort for everyday household tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 Pressure Washer is a compact yet capable cleaning tool designed for homeowners who want reliable performance without the bulk of larger machines. Delivering up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM at maximum output, it provides enough pressure to tackle everyday cleaning jobs like washing cars, rinsing patio furniture, or clearing dirt from driveways and decks. What makes this model stand out is its ultra-lightweight build, weighing only 19 pounds, combined with a smart four-wheel design that offers 360-degree mobility and strong anti-tipping stability. The 17.5-inch extendable steel wand feels sturdy in hand and pairs well with the included quick connect nozzles, giving you flexibility for different cleaning intensities. Its on-doored 20-ounce soap tank is convenient for applying detergents during tougher jobs, while its 25-foot hose offers decent reach for most tasks. Another practical feature is the automatic pump shutoff, which helps conserve energy and extend the life of the motor. Overall, this pressure washer is well suited for light to medium-duty cleaning, offering a great balance of portability, ease of use, and dependable power. Number 2. Westinghouse WPX 3000E Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX 3000E pressure washer is built for users who need more power and durability for larger or more demanding cleaning projects. With a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi, it delivers strong performance capable of handling stubborn grime on driveways, fences, siding, and garage floors. The electric motor is both powerful and low maintenance, paired with an axial cam pump that ensures consistent water flow and long-term reliability. This model includes a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose and a high-pressure spray gun with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to easily switch between different spray patterns depending on the task. The addition of a 0.45-gallon soap tank makes it more effective for deep cleaning jobs that require detergent application. Its rugged steel frame and large 10-inch never-flat wheels make moving the unit around much easier, even on uneven surfaces. The 35-foot GFCI power cord adds extra reach, reducing the need to constantly switch outlets. Overall, it's a solid option for homeowners who want a powerful electric pressure washer that can handle both routine cleaning and tougher outdoor maintenance tasks. Number 3. Westinghouse EPX 3100V Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3100V pressure washer is a lightweight and practical option for those who value portability and convenience without sacrificing performance. With a maximum pressure of 2,100 psi, it's well suited for everyday cleaning tasks, such as washing vehicles, cleaning patios, or removing dirt from outdoor furniture. Weighing just 18 pounds, this unit is easy to carry and store, making it ideal for users with limited space or those who need to move the washer frequently. The built-in handle adds to its portability, allowing for quick transport between different cleaning areas. It comes equipped with a 20-foot nylon-braided hose and a detachable foam cannon, which is especially useful for applying soap during more thorough cleaning jobs. The automatic pump shutoff feature helps reduce energy consumption and protects the motor from unnecessary wear. While it may not be designed for heavy-duty industrial use, it performs reliably for light to medium tasks. Overall, the EPX 3100V offers a convenient and user-friendly cleaning solution for homeowners looking for a compact yet capable pressure washer. Number 4. Westinghouse WPX 3400 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX 3400 pressure washer is a high-powered gas unit designed for serious cleaning performance across large and heavily soiled areas. With an impressive 3,400 psi and 2.6 GPM, it delivers the kind of deep cleaning power needed for tough jobs like stripping grime from driveways, cleaning siding, or restoring weathered decks. The 212cc 4-stroke engine provides consistent performance, making it suitable for extended use without noticeable drop in power. Its heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability, while the 12-inch never-flat wheels make it easier to maneuver across rough terrain. The 25-foot Superflex hose and 5 Quick Connect nozzles offer versatility, allowing you to adjust the spray for different surfaces and cleaning needs. A large onboard soap tank adds convenience when tackling stubborn dirt that requires detergent. Although it requires more maintenance than electric models, the added power and independence from electrical outlets make it a strong choice for demanding outdoor work. This pressure washer is best suited for users who need professional-level performance at home. Number 5. Westinghouse EPX 3050 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3050 Pressure Washer offers a well-balanced combination of power, convenience, and compact design, making it a practical choice for everyday residential use. With a maximum output of 2100 psi, it provides enough cleaning force for tasks like washing cars, cleaning sidewalks, or removing dirt from fences and siding. Its electric motor is designed for durability and low maintenance, supported by an axial pump with an auto-stop function that helps extend the lifespan of the unit. The compact 26-inch profile and 5-inch never-flat wheels make it easy to move and store, especially in smaller spaces. It includes a 20-foot abrasion-resistant hose, a lightweight spray gun, and 3 Quick Connect nozzles, giving you flexibility for different cleaning jobs. The included soap applicator is useful for tackling tougher grime, adding an extra layer of cleaning efficiency. Overall, the EPX 3050 is a reliable and user-friendly pressure washer that delivers solid performance for routine outdoor cleaning without being overly bulky or complicated to use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.